Alright, please help me figure out what this sound is. This happens when usually I'm going up driveways or steep bumps, speed bumps, you know, whatever. The sound sounds like it's coming from this top area here, from the spring and strut area. I also have a Skunk 2 camber kit installed. I'm wondering if that might be causing the noise, but here's the noise. I'm just jacking it up real slow. You'll probably hear the noise. As you can tell, it's definitely coming from something in this area. I don't know if that's just the noise my springs would be making. These are Eibach Sportline Springs and GR2 struts, or if it's some kind of bushing issue on the camber kit. I'm not sure. I mean, most of the bushings here look fine, so it's kind of hard to tell where it is coming from. Go ahead and drop it. Now if I try to jack it up again, probably won't make the sound. There you go. As you can see, it's not making the sound. It's kind of weird. Oh, there it is a little bit. Please help me figure it out.